when the engraved pattern appears blurry or the engraving depth is insufficient. The focal length may not be properly aligned. This issue could be caused by focusing light misalignment, with the actual focusing light differs from the standard operating focusing light. Taking the 150mm field lens as an example, turn on the focus light for the 150mm field lens. We can see that the two red light points do not overlap. It indicates that the focus light is offset. Open the SGD laser. Click New. Click Settings in the top left corner. Select Device Information. Disable Z-axis and use 70mm field lens function. Locate paint in the left menu bar. Select Rectangle. Draw a rectangle on the canvas. Change the rectangle dimensions. Check filling and click center icon. Place a focusing sheet. Adjust the parameters. Click Preview. Click Mark. Press the up or down button while engraving. Pay attention to the engraving sound. Focusing is now complete. Use a 2.5mm wrench to loosen the 150mm field lens screw. Adjust the focus light by your hand until the two red light points overlap, and then tighten the screw. Test again.